What's going on, Game Time Gurus Nation? Tony Johnson here with you again. Another day, another wage, man. So we're excited, man. So it's Tuesday morning. It's right after the aftermath of Sunday and Monday. We had a Monday night game. We had a Sunday. We had some Sunday action. And I'm really excited to show you all this work we've been doing. And keep in mind, we're doing these videos for social proof. We're doing these videos to show you our elite pick level, how we can pick these games very elite because we use live information, like I said in the training, which is platinum leverage. And so we're able to capitalize on what's going on in the games, you know what I mean? Because we're watching the games, and so we can capitalize on different areas of the game because we know what we're doing. We've been doing this a while. This is 7 years experience, guys, me and my buddy. And I know you're just seeing me right now. He's waiting for the season, but I use this preseason to kind of get the record going, show you that we can win. And so we got a lot of that winning examples on the other side of this cape. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to go right into these winning examples, guys. So just give me a moment and let's get it in, okay? So we're still recording. All right, great. So let's kind of pull our bet slip down. This is our transactions. And just to deal with some elephants in the room, a lot of people will say, well, if they making so much money, why are you just playing with $100? Well, I want to show, this is the thing about these videos. We want to show the little guy, the guy that really don't have a lot of money, don't want to lose money. You know, people say, hey, man, I like that, but I don't want to lose no money. We want to show you how you can get in, roll your sleeves up, and take 100 all the way to 1,000. We've done it many times. We do it on multiple books, and it's just better when you start fresh. You pay yourself. You know, you build it up, 1,000, 2,000, pay yourself, put some new money in. And we do that all the time with multiple books. That's kind of like our method. We're not just trying to let $10,000 sit in the books. You know what I mean? So, all right. So let's get right into it, man. The last, so we just want to show you guys that we're an elite pick service, man. So you're gonna see this in these transactions, how we can get multiple units in the bag on one game. One game, you can get 3-4 units in the bag because you're doing it the way we do it. We're putting ourselves in position to leverage, right? So we remember the last wage that we did. That was Dallas Cowboys, Los Angeles. You can go check the other videos out. Of course, we won that one easy. We took the under in this game. The thing stalled at 24. I saw it in the game. I saw it. I said, oh yeah, this is a good one. Bought it. Bam. Game Time Gurus won. That was 8-18. Next wage we placed. We were looking at some baseball, waiting on football, watching the baseball. I saw that the Braves pitching was impeccable. Saw that they were striking people out. They had to cover 2 runs. They were already up by 2. It was around about the 8th inning. I said, and then look, they were batting at the top. Their order was they were batting at the bottom. They were at home, so they were batting the bottom of the 9th. So I said, if they just get them out in the top of the 9th, the game is gonna be over. I called that one right. Another win for the Game Time Gurus. That's 5-1, right? Let's move on. So we already at 5-1. Win. That go to win right there. Boom. 15. We at 180, right? We just walking this money up. This is video game numbers, right? And it's because we know what we're doing, guys. We know what we're doing. So, all right, this is what I was waiting on. New Orleans and Los Angeles. Beautiful move. 36.5 under. Say, well, I thought you say you like the over. Yeah, but platinum leverage, live information told me this was an under game, right? Neither one of those quarterbacks, the starting quarterbacks, Phillip Rivers nor Drew Brees, was starting. They didn't play the game. These teams could not move the ball. So what I did is I hung out, waited for a little offense, because anytime there's some offense, the books are going to bring that number up, because this went all the way to 29.5. So they'll bring that number up. So guess what? I bought it at 36.5, right? Then it went up some more. I bought it at 37.5. I love that one. I said, okay, I'm going to get another one in the bag. If I like the under, I'm going to keep putting that roof on it, right? Pull up a lid again. Third one I put on. 41.5. Bought it up there. I was like, oh, I love that one. If I got it at 37 and I got it here, definitely gonna buy it here, right? Boom. Bam. Win. 41.5 in the bag, right? We already 5-1. Win, right? Another one in the bag, 36 and a half, win. So we already, that's 6-1, right? No, yeah. No, 7-1. Win. Boom. Another one in the bag. 37 and a half. So all three of those units in the bag in one game, right? This is how we get down. Boom. Then, so now that was, so right there we're 7-1. Trying to follow the record. So we're 7-1. All right. Then this is what I was really waiting on, because I love Russell Wilson, man. A great guy, great quarterback. And I know they love to score points, the Seattle Seahawks. And so I was looking at that game. I said, Monday night, I'm here free, finna troubleshoot this game. And so I looked at it. I said, I love the over. I saw that over at 34 and a half. Bought that one just one time. Loved it. Boom. Look at that win. Beautiful win. They went over substantial. Well, not by maybe by 6-7 points, but boom. Game Time Gurus calling them out. 8-1, people. 8-1. This is $219 from $100 I started with, right? You don't see a lot of losses on this transaction slip, right? Let's go down to the bottom when we started. Let's see how many losses we got. This is social proof. So look, started with 100. They gave me 50. So guess what? 150 in the pocket, right? Dangerous with that. I didn't even need a bonus, right? Undervalued. They undervalued me, right? So I was an undervalued dog. So I'm busting them in their head. Look, win. That's one win. Win. That's another. That's two. That's one loss. 2-1, right? Win, right? Win, right? Win, right? We just winning. Win. Got to go over the wages. Win. Win in the bag. All these are wins, guys. Win. Seattle, another win. So right here, 8-1, guys. 8-1. Video game numbers, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say this last little wagering activity from Monday night. We're gonna save it for the next video so we can kind of split it up, make it too long. Don't want to make it too long. Realize we're in a generation, attention span is very quick. So we want to just come in, show you what we're doing, get on out. God bless you. We're going to see you on the next video, and that'll be the wrap up for the preseason. But I thank God for you guys being here. Be a VIP member, guys. This is all aftermath, so you couldn't take advantage of these wins. But if you're a VIP member, we had a live board up. You come into our live betting portal. We got the board up. We're pulling these, we making these wages, making these decisions, and you can make these decisions with us and see your money grow. Okay, guys? So we'll see you on the next video. God bless you guys. Game Time Gurus. Once again, this is the aftermath. God bless.